All right, everybody. So this is what my project looks like after I've recorded everything. I have my 4 verse tracks, my 4 chorus tracks, and my 4 bridge tracks. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and unmute everything now. And now I got to move these around to get my form. So I'm going to turn off my cycle tool if it was on. And I'm going to zoom way out here so I can see everything. Okay, so here's my organizer. So I started with a 1-phrase intro, which is 4 bars. Now, I don't want to, I'm going to put that in last, okay? So the first thing that I have after my intro is my verse. So I'm going to take all my verse tracks. I'm going to lasso all of them. And if my intro is 4 bars, my verse is going to start in measure 5. So I'm going to drag those over here. Now, this is important. I want to make sure this magnet right here is on. This is called snap to grid. If I have this on, anytime I move this, it's going to snap the beginning of it right on whatever grid I have set. If I turn this off, I can slide this in between the grid. I don't want that. We want snap to grid, and we're going to put that right there in measure 5. Okay? And then that is 2 phrases long, so 8 bars. So what I have here is 1 phrase, so I'm just going to loop that out twice, just like that. Okay? So there is my 2-phrase verse. And then I have a 2-phrase chorus. So I'm going to highlight these. These are going to start after my verse. And then I'm going to loop those out for an extra phrase right there. So I have 2 phrases there. So I have a 2-phrase verse, a 2-phrase chorus, and then I repeat that. I have verse, chorus again. So now all I have to do is copy and paste this. I'm going to loop all these, right-click, copy, or I can hit Control-C. And then I want to paste those after my chorus. So I'm going to put the cursor right there, Control-V to paste. Okay, and I'm starting to run out of space, so I'm going to zoom out a little bit. So right now I have verse, chorus, verse. Then I have my chorus again. So I'm going to highlight my chorus, copy it, paste it at the end of my verse. And actually, I'm going to move that down right there so it all lines up. Verse, chorus, verse, chorus. Okay. Then I have a 2-phrase bridge. So I'm going to highlight all my bridge, move it over here, loop it. That's 4 bars right there, right? Yep. So I have 8 bars there. And then after my bridge, chorus, chorus, outro. So 2 choruses. So I'm going to take my chorus again, Control copy, paste it. That's 1 loop. That's 2 loops. And then I have my outro. So my outro, I'm going to do just my chords and my bass from my chorus. So I'm actually going to paste my chorus again, but I'm going to get rid of the drums. I'm going to delete those. And I'm going to delete the melody. And then I'm just left over with my bass and my chords. Now the only thing I need to do is I need to get my intro, which was 4 bars. So for my intro, I'm going to actually use my drum loop. So I'm going to drag it back here and then still loop that out to where I have that at the end. Now, the thing I like about this, the way this is organized, is I can see my form very clearly. I have my verse, chorus, bridge, chorus, chorus, and then I have my outro right here, okay? And the only other thing I wanted to do on my outro is to fade out my bass and my chords. So I'm going to zoom in on my outro here, which is, get on my screen, this region. And I'm going to add a fade out. And I'm going to add a fade out. And then I want mine to be kind of long. So I'm going to do a bar and then start to fade. Okay? Now, again, once you get to this point, you kind of have free reign to do whatever you want, whatever you think that sounds good. So I'm going to go back now and listen to my song and then see, okay, do I want to add a loop here, or do I maybe want to get rid of something here or here? You can tweak this. The main rule is, if it sounds good, it is good. All right? So I hope you enjoy this. If you have any questions, please let me know. Go back and watch the beginning of this video if you need to, see how to move stuff again and how to copy and paste. But good luck, and I look forward to listening to your projects.